I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for the 1st of October. What I would consider my favorite month of the year, and the weather this weekend is one reason why. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, coming from Fayette, Alabama. Nice and quiet. Readings mostly in the 50s. There's a look at downtown Birmingham from the Daniel Building. And from Auburn, our Skycam down in Lee County. Both Alabama and Auburn have home football games tomorrow. And I'll tell you now, weather's going to be fantastic for both sites. There's the water vapor satellite shot. And again, you can see the trough over the east, ridge over the west. Nasty weather finally winding down over the Carolinas. Still raining over the northeast this morning, but it's been a pretty wild and wet day for the East Coast for the past few days. Here's a look at our temperatures this morning. Birmingham, 55, and Anniston, the cool spot there at 53. And we'll see a fresh shot of cool air dropping in here late this weekend. And by Monday morning, we figure most folks will be in the 40s around here. There's the QPF chart. That is a familiar site that is suggesting no rain across our state for the next 5 days. And this is valid through Tuesday evening of next week at 7 o'clock. Tropical weather, a couple of big old circles on that map. One over the Caribbean, one just east of the Leeward Islands. Both of those waves are not organized at all. The modeling, really just the BAM set, picks up that one that's east of the Leewards, and that wants to bring it a little north of the islands. And the few models that do pick it up ramp it up to a tropical storm. Even one ramps it up to a hurricane. So we'll keep an eye on that in coming days, but it's a long way out there. Remains to be seen, number one, if it develops, and number two, if it can make it toward the Gulf or if it recurves. We just don't know that yet. The QPF chart, not the QPF chart, the GFS output, global forecast system, valid at 1 o'clock today. At Vortmax, that used to be Nicole, is up around Delaware. And down below that, still nasty for places like New York City and Boston, but around here, another beautiful day. High should be around 80. Tomorrow's starting off the weekend, same deal, beautiful. Lots of sunshine throughout the day, highs upper 70s. Great day for football at Auburn. Great evening tomorrow night for the Alabama game against Florida. Sunday, look at the trough sharpening up over the east. That will deliver our new surge of cool air. See the thickness values coming on down. The NAM is showing a high of only 69 on Sunday. The GFS is showing 73, but more than likely the high should be close to 70 with a fresh north breeze. And Monday, we'll start the day in the 40s. The GFS is showing 45. The colder valleys inevitably will do upper 30s for the first time this year. And we have to wonder if somebody might have a little scattered light frost up in Valley Head or places like that. Here's Tuesday. Pretty much the same deal. We'll start the day in the 40s. Wednesday of next week. Thursday. And a week from today. Not a drop of rain for the next 5 days. And again, just a very slow warm-up next week. Highs should be in the 70s. And lows by the end of the week in the 50s. All right, let's go out there to October 13th. This is where we've seen model madness. Every run has been different. Now we have a broad trough north of us, really. We have seen occasional runs that depict the very strong upper low west of the state with a big wet down. This is saying, nope, you might get a cold front, maybe a few sprinkles, but nothing more than that. So, again, obviously confidence is very low at this point. We'll just keep watching. But again, like I've been talking about, I would lean toward the dry side. This is October, the driest month of the year. And then the end of the forecast on the 16th. The westerlies a little north of here. And again, that looks dry. So this run suggesting our weather stays awfully dry for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.